Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. I have a very important update for all of you that I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch from this weekend. So the timing for this batch will be morning 9:30 a.m. Indian timing and 11:30 p.m. as per the EST timing. The duration of the course will be 45 days where we are going to cover all core DBA concept which includes your backups like different types of backup, RMAN backups, then export import, user creation, patching activity, upgradation, then we have migration, ASM is there, and data guard, shell scripting, and performance tuning. And I will also give you the introduction part about the OEM also. So there are many interesting stuffs are there which are related to the Oracle DBA, and this training is completely real time. You can check my review and you know me very well, where we have almost 7,000 plus subscriber now all over the world. So there will be a lot of learning in my training classes. So if you are interested to join Oracle DBA real-time training, then you can reach out to me on my mobile number. All details you can get it into the description section as well as here also. If you don't want to join the online training class, that's fine. Still you can enjoy this YouTube platform where you can get a lot of good things about the Oracle DBA, about the Java Spark and other technologies, which is completely free on my YouTube channel. So please do like, subscribe and share this channel. And those who are interested for Oracle DBA training, you can reach out to me on my mobile number, on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, and it is a really good time to have with you.